Legionnaires disease is transmitted through the air. And what do I mean by that? So basically, it has to somehow get aerosolized. It has to get broken into parts that are small enough. So for instance, if you go to a hotel and you look up at the shower, quite frankly, frequently there's like a plume, if you will, around the shower head. So as the shower water is coming out, the bacteria, unfortunately, that might have accumulated in the shower head or elsewhere in the system comes with it. The bacteria that causes Legionnaires disease is transmitted is, for instance, you go to a hotel and you go into a jacuzzi or a hot tub. Have you ever noticed like there's these popping bubbles sometimes? Quite frankly, unfortunately, it can be Legionella bacteria. And again, you inhale that into your lungs, and then it causes Legionnaires disease. So those are the two main ways that you get Legionnaires disease, either from a building or from a hotel. The third major way that people get Legionnaires disease is from cooling towers. A cooling tower basically is a tower that's at the top of a building that is used to get rid of the hot temperatures within the building. And the way a cooling tower works basically is the warm water comes in and falls down. As it's falling down, it gets cooled, and the bottom of the cooling tower, quite frankly, often has Legionella bacteria in it. And what happens then is that bacteria is broken up, aerosolized again, and again, a plume comes off the cooling tower. And unfortunately, in the case, for instance, in my hometown of Philadelphia, there's a hotel called the Bellevue Stratford. And that's where the disease first got its name, from the Legionnaires American Legion convention that was there. The plume, if you will, that was coming off the cooling tower, not only did it affect the Legionnaires within the hotel itself, but it fell off the side of the building down to the pavement, and innocent people that were walking by contracted the disease. So you can be in a place where a cooling tower is emitting, if you will, this Legionella, the disease, the bacteria, not even know about it, and then get the disease that way. So there's basically the three main ways, I said: the hot tub, the potable water system, and the cooling tower. Let me go back for a moment about the potable water system. By that I mean water that basically can come in contact with your skin or drinking water. Unfortunately, because of COVID-19, many of our buildings have been shut down for long periods of time, and these same buildings are opening back up again. And unfortunately, the people that are maintaining these buildings are not checking for their water supply to see whether or not the Legionella bacteria has grown while the buildings were shut down. And there has been an increasingly rapid number of Legionnaires disease around the country, and it's going to get worse because of COVID, because these building managers are not properly maintaining their water supply after the reopening of the building.
I'd be happy to talk with that person, whomever that may be. I'm open at all times. They can call me on my cell phone, my office phone, whatever they want to do. My office is 215-988-0160. My cell is 215-888-5183. They can reach me through my email, zacherlaw, ZACHER @gmail.com, and I'll do my best to answer any questions that they might have. They may also want to visit my website, where we put up a lot of information. A lot of it, quite frankly, is what I've already told you during these videos, but a lot of it isn't. And we blog quite extensively. We blog about individual outbreaks. They might find out something about their own outbreak where they might be. A lot of information up there on the website that you may want to go to.